you two doing?
Come and get milk.
I don't have any for you.
Who's that?
Who's this? Foot. Kitty.
Cookie.
Hi.
Cookie.
Don't slip.
Sniff.
It's like,
Katie.
I see. He can't go very far. She's like, wait, where'd you go? Come back. Come back. He's got my hand. Bear. Oh, he's going to pounce. Ready? He's going to try to pounce. See how much he attempts. That's pouncing right now.
Gotcha. Come here and I'll give you kisses.
God damn it, you can't watch TV. You're too young. Everything's like R-rated for you.
Yeah, we'll put on the... What is that? The Qbert channel?
Noise. 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 Fear the taco box. I evil taco box. I am coming to get you. I am coming to get you. You can't escape.
She's gonna fall right off.
And she's gonna land in my lap because she's like Velcro. How dare you beat up taco box? See? She fell right in my lap. How dare you? How dare you? It's like, screw taco box. I want the TV. TVs are awesome.
Come here, dog.
Suki!
Where are you going?
Suki, Suki, Suki. Oh, Suki, Suki, Suki. You're getting camera attention and you're ignoring it. Bear. His camera. Ooh. Ooh. You has drip beard of milk. I see you.
Whoop. No, don't go on your sister.
Hi, Suki. Hi, baby Suki. Here she is again. Hi. Hi, Suki. Katara. Hi, Katara. Katara. Cookie.
Want to get up there? Cookie?
What are you doing? Explain. Explain what you are doing.
Ah, blowing nose.
Not you. What are you doing? Bear.
That way. Katie.
No. Taco box. Taco box.
Tissue box. Tissue box.
Oh, he almost falls off. He taps the camera.
Adorable.
He's like, no, you would not. Oh,
Now
she's eating
stop eating
tissues.
tissue.
What are you doing, Katara? Katara.
Tissue.
Katara.
Tissue.
Remote.
Fearless.
Tissues. My God, it's like Larry Moe and Curly. Oh, Bear's turn to attack Tissue.
Shoo. 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 You goose. Goosies.
They're gooses now.
Goosies.
Hey!
Geesies.
Hey, this is mine. This is mine.
Goosies.
You can't have it.
Goosies.
You can't have my string. How dare you? How dare you?
Okay, I'm taking two of them with me to go get a toy.
Okay. Sure, leave me with the most fearless one. Yeah, seriously.
Don't let him fall.
Bad idea is bad idea. Bear, don't move butter, please. Bear. I'll pet you and distract you for like 5 seconds. How's that? I'm distracting you with being petted. That's it. Cling to the table. It's something you can't get your hands on. You're too close. Don't trust you. I'm going to pet you forever and ever and ever. Who's that? Who's that? They're coming back. Quick, after tissues. Bear. Bear. Ooh. Bear.
Okay.
Bear. 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 Go, Suki, go!
Get the bottle.
Who cares for toys? There's bottles there. Oh my god.
And a spoon. And a hand and tissues.
I thought you were saying testicles. Hand and testicles. What the hell?
Yes, Katie. We can play with testicles. Where are you going to get us those?
Well, there's many places I can name. Jumps after the camera.
By the time you see a missile coming over Uniontown,
Tissues. The greatest toy ever
It
invented.
makes
tissues.
plasticky noise when I chew it. Suki, what's going on? What's going on there, Suki? You're gonna fall.
Bear.
You're gonna fall, you know that? You're gonna try to fall on purpose, aren't you? Aren't you? What you doing?
love you anyway. Hey, yeah, oh, yeah. By the way, Liz had her surgery today. She had a couple of lesions.
Poor little Suki looks so lost, like 90% of the time. She's like, what am I doing?
We'll know in 2 weeks if any of that's cancerous.
You are such a little cuddle kitten.
We're
Come
hoping
here.
for the best, and
You just want to cuddle for me?
My fingers. Mine. No, you can't walk on them. No, you can't. They're mine. Oh yeah, I can move the mat too. How's that?
You can go down and bed.
Watch him. He's gonna knock the tissue box right over.
She's going to jump right on you.
That's my boob. It doesn't do anything when you push it. It's not like a button that like beeps.
It's magic. It's magic.
Magic boob.
Press it and woo, sparks fly.
I hope not. That'd be a fire hazard.
Talk about the healthcare system. We went to the first meeting with the
Itty bittiness of kittens.